Hello there. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich in Rise of Kingdoms in 2025. So this is super cool. As you can see, I'm rich with the gems, guys. So basically what you need to do is get Rise of Kingdoms coupon codes, guys. So that is the site. It's called zestcoupons.com. That is where we must go to become millionaires. So I'm on the website now. I'm going to type in Rise of Kingdoms. And as you can see, it says Rise of Kingdoms promo codes. So just press show coupon code and wait for it to load. Now, bear in mind, you are going to have to enter your email address because obviously they're sending it to your email. So just press get full code. And then we just need to enter our email. So as you can see, it's like, what do you like about shipping? I'm not going to show you guys my email on the video. But as you can see, it says activating your reward. So we're just going to wait for this to load here, as you can see. And now it usually makes you do like a survey. So you can see it says continue to your reward. So we're just going to do the survey right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. All right. And then press I agree and continue, and we're done. So now there's usually the deals thing, which is very dumb. It's like these surveys. And I'm not really someone that gets involved in this stuff, but this website, I've tried it, and it actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Super insane. So yeah, the deals thing is at the end, so just do that, and you'll have gems and every currency in Rise of Kingdoms with these working promo codes. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. Be subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. I've played Rise of Kingdoms like for years, and I didn't know about this. And the reason I have so much is because, first of all, I'm a legit player, and second, I also got multiple of these promo codes from this site.